So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and factory reset your computer, your Windows 11 PC, as easily as you can. Now, to do this, it's actually pretty basic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over into your Windows icon at the very bottom. So hop over into your Windows icon and you want to make your way over to your settings application. So tap into settings, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically find the little option on the left side right here. There's going to be a lot of things that come up. What we want to basically look out for is you want to go ahead and basically click on the reset option, or what you can do if there's no reset option here, you can just click on the search bar at the very top and just type in reset. That's typically what I do. It's very basic. A little reset button will basically show up. All you have to do here is tap onto reset this PC, and it will basically jump into recovery, or you can hop into system and come here too. Now there's a lot of things that show up. What we want to do is reset this PC. So there's a little button right over here on the right side that basically shows you reset PC. So all you're going to have to do here is tap onto that reset PC option, and it will allow you to go through and kind of configure what you want to do. Do you want to keep all your files on your computer? If that's the case, then you can click on Keep My Files, and it will remove the apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Or if you want to remove everything off your computer, delete everything, including personal files, apps, and all that stuff, then click on the second option, and that will basically do it for you there. So that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.